Good morning, beautiful people. My cat Chunk and I are here this morning before we go to work because I have a Fashom box waiting for me. It showed up last night, but there wasn't really time or energy to film at the evening. He's gonna go away now. Welcome to my channel. We are doing a Fashom unboxing, and I have not received a Fashom in over a year. So I got it right when the company was starting out. I got 2 boxes. I ended up keeping 1 shirt, and I didn't really stop because I was that unhappy with Fashom. Obviously they weren't quite meshing with my style or what I was looking for, but I really just needed to cut some boxes out. I had a lot of medical things going on last year, and I'm almost done paying all of that off, but I'm starting to want to add back in my boxes and get back up to speed on all of that. Fashom reached out to me and reminded me I still have no styling fee for a box, and well, as they gave me a $20 credit, so I thought, it's a good time. I didn't keep everything in my Stitch Fix box, so I got a Fashom. They do send you a preview of 7 items. It's $15 styling fee, but they do waive it the first time you get a box, and if you use somebody's link to sign up, you get a $10 credit. So if you're watching these and thinking about it, use somebody's link so you get a $10 credit. I'll leave mine below. You get the little envelope here with the invoice, which I'll keep out for our pricing, and instructions on how to check out and do all that kind of stuff. Return envelope, and then the paper's softer than it used to be. Woo, it's blowing out with the white. There you go. So there you go. Beautiful bright colors. I'm particularly excited. The dress that I'm most interested in, Terry over at Southern Yankee just unboxed it this morning. I watched it with my morning coffee, and it looked adorable on her. I don't know if she totally thought it was adorable. I loved it on you, Terry. Seriously. So I'm looking forward to trying it, and if it looks that cute on me, I'm keeping it because that's what I'm most excited about. I love things that are kind of reminisce to the 70s. All right, so first up, we have a pair of cropped pants. They look like they're pull-on in the picture. Yep, they are. So I liked the pattern of it. I asked them for kind of 70s retro inspired. I liked how comfortable they looked with the pull-on. I'm not sure about the length because they are cropped, and I do not own a single pair of cropped pants because I just feel like I'm 5'2", and I just feel like they cut me off. But I wanted to try these because I thought the pattern and the color was really pretty, and let me see if I can find it. They also sent me a lace top, which I thought would be fun to try on with it. Oh, I forgot the brand. It is Cynthia Rowley. Cynthia Rowley. Not totally familiar with that, but you know what? I'm usually not. This is a Chris and Carol. Chris and Carol's I've seen in several boxes. It's just a simple lace top. It's got a little separate cold shoulder lace sleeve. I do have a couple lace white tops, but this one looked cute and it looked like it would really match the pants well, so I thought, well, send that. I may not be able to justify another white lace top unless it's a discount, because they do give you a discount with only 3 items, and they give you a 30% discount if you keep all 5. This one I saw in Nancy Round's box, and I did not request it specifically. Do you see the shimmery gold in it? And it's a fan, and I love things that are kind of that India style kind of nod reflection, as well as 70s modern. So she said the armholes were not fitting right in her, so I'm hopeful that they're gonna fit better for me because I love this. I think it's awesome. It's mod style. Little fan. That's totally my print. That kind of quirky fun. If you watch my channel, you know when it's quirky and fun. I love it. This one is by Soggo. S-O-G-G-O. Soggo. And it feels kind of slinky. Feels like it's got some slink to it. This is definitely 70s inspired though, don't you think? And I like the colors. So it's got a couple cute little button detail there. They are working buttons. So yeah, that could work. And then on the bottom, making me wait for it, this is the dress that Miss Terry at Southern Yankee had that I was super excited. As soon as I saw this in my preview, I checked immediately, send it. It's got two different patterns with a stripe in the middle to kind of pull in the colors. And I absolutely love this. I just know that if this fits on my body, this is totally a keeper for me. I just fell in love with it even on the preview. So I know it's probably not for everybody. It's a little crazy with the double print, but we will try that on. Might have to try that on first just to get it out of the way. Hold on. Okay, the company is 101 Ideas. The price is only $45. $45 for an awesome dress. And I think it's lovely. I love this. So it fits well under the arms, doesn't show any bra strap. This is a faux wrap. It is sewn. You could tack it here. There's not a tack there, but you could, but I don't think it's too immodest even the way it is. So let me back up and show you the length. Comes right where I love, the top of the knee, a little bit to the mid knee. Just slightly goes down even in the back for some extra coverage and modesty when you're bending over. So you can let me know what you think, but I'm loving this. This is a great start. Maybe I should have saved it for the grand finale. But this, I think, is a definite keeper. And Terry, I think you should keep yours and we could twin. Sorry, the sun is coming in. That's the morning sun. Good morning, sunshines. This is the Soggo printed dress. It's $55. I love the colors. Unfortunately, this is super big. It's just like really, really large, except I got some hips and booty, y'all. This, I would not want this any tighter. I want this to have some flow right here. So it fits here. But, you know, it's got to fit the rest of me. So this is super cute colors. I love the print. Totally on style for the print. It is a little too long for me. I don't like it all the way past my knee. I want a little knee showing. I'm just picky about the length because you just want to look your best, y'all. So it's $55. I think this would look super cute on a lot of other people. That okay, I looked, my stylist is Morgan, and she's excited to style me and to send the bright summer fun retro pieces. This is the Crescent Curl lace top. I'm actually pleasantly happy with it. It's $45, and if it was a discount piece, it would be, you know, well worth considering. The Cynthia Rowley crop pants. These may be my first pair of crop pants. They are super comfortable. You'll have to tell me how they look. So here's the top. It is the cold shoulder, which, you know, I have several cold shoulders and I don't know how much longer that's going to be in style, but it is flattering and cute and I like it. I like the pattern on it. The pants are just the stretch pull-on. I don't think they're too tight or camel toe-y. You can let me know. I'm not offended. Say, hey, they're a little tight. But they're super, super stretchy. So I think if you sized up, they would still be tight, or fitted, I should say. Just at some point, they would not stay up. So I think these have the right amount of stretch, and it's just a matter of if this is okay for my hips and booty. So here you can see the length of the pants. They are cropped. I think this is where crop pants are supposed to hit. I think they're really comfortable and cute. I would have to kind of just embrace the croppedness, but I'm really loving it. I think this pattern is really cute. The little design on it. Give me your input, please. All right, this is the Mod Style V-neck printed top, $43. And this is the one that Nancy had gotten that I loved on her. She said the armholes weren't fitting right, but I think for me, this is right. It's not too tight. Doesn't show any bra. I don't see it, you know, puckering out or anything. You can see just a little bit of the shimmer of the gold. I think these are orange and red, so it's nice and bright. The length on it comes up just a teeny bit, scallops back down in the back. I really love this. So well done, Fashom. Well done, Morgan. I am super impressed. So I'm definitely keeping at least 2 or 3 items for sure. The dress that I adore, unless you tell me it's horrible, I'm gonna watch the footage back on all this. Particularly, I'm interested to know what y'all think about these pants. I'm thinking I like them. They are very fitted in the rear, which I'm a little conscious about. Not that I have a problem with it, but I just don't. If other people don't want to see it, I don't want to subject other people. So the pants are, I need some input on this top and the first dress. The first dress I really, really love. I am going to watch the feedback and playback and see if it is. The shift dress just isn't going to fit for me. And then if I need a third piece to keep, or maybe if I just keep the crop pants, I want to keep the lace top too. So I'm thinking 2 or 3, maybe even 4 pieces in this box. So well done. I look forward to continuing to get some Fashom in the future and think that they've done a great job. So if you want to check them out and give them a try, it's a nice deal, especially your first box free styling fee and $10 credit if you use a link. So check it out. And oh, the other thing I want to say that I'm not sure I did, so I'll edit this out if I already said it, but before, last year when I would order Fashom, from the time that I clicked I wanted a box to the time I actually received it was almost exactly a month. One time, I think the second box, it was 5 weeks almost. So I was kind of expecting that this time, and so I was thinking this will be my August box, but it showed up yesterday after just like a week. Like from the time I clicked, I think I want another box, go ahead and do that. They had me styled within like 24 hours, maybe less than 2 days anyway. And then I immediately answered that, and then it got here super quick, super fast. So that's a huge improvement. So thumbs up on that. So those are my thoughts and reviews. Thank you for stopping by. If you aren't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Y'all have a blessed day.